It's October, and you know what that means. It's Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the three control types, physical security. Now, I know it's not as sexy as the other two, but I promise you we will get to those in due time. Let's get into physical security. So what is physical security? Well, physical security or physical controls are a security mechanism to help protect your physical assets, your data assets, as well as your location. Kind of think of them as physical barriers to protect your digital world. Now let's get into some examples of some physical securities and how you can implement them in your day-to-day. So let's talk about locking devices. Locking devices are a great way for you to be able to secure your data or digital assets. As a business, you may want to consider using magnetic locks on sensitive areas such as production or servers or even filing cabinets. As an individual, you may want to consider using a safe to store your sensitive data that may include social security numbers and passports and financial data or even pictures that you don't want to go up in flames. These are all great ways to be able to secure your data physically. So piggybacking off of locking devices, you may want to focus your attention on securing access to your building as a business owner. A great way of doing that is requiring for employees to use RFID tags to be able to badge in to get into the building or into sensitive areas. Now, depending on the degree of the information or the data that you are securing or working with, you may want to add like a security guard that will be able to validate the people who come in and make sure that they are who they say they are. Now, as an individual, you may not have be able to have the bells and whistles, or it may not be economical for you to invest in those types of measures. But one way that something that you could do is that you can install digital locks on all of your exterior doors. A lot of them will come with where the key locks look the same on the outside, but on the back side is where it is all digitized. Now, this is also great because a lot of these types of devices and products, they actually will come with some features that will allow you to be notified when someone opens and closes the locks or opens and closes the doors. It also can be integrated into your home automation systems such as Amazon Alexa or your Google Home, which will give you some added flexibility. These are all great ideas and great ways that you can implement into your home or your facility as a business owner to secure your digital assets. So we focused a lot of our attention on protecting your physical assets inside of the building. But let's talk about some mechanisms that you can put into place that are outside the building. Now, security cameras are a great way to be able to secure or deter unauthorized individuals from accessing your location or your home. Now, as a business, these industry grade types of cameras have some amazing features that will help you, such as having panoramic views, so you can be able to see at a 360-degree angle anything that may be approaching, anything and anyone that may be approaching your premise. They also can come with what they call threat detection or heat signatures. So if someone is coming close to your building and is giving off an immense amount of heat, that might give you the heads up that, hey, something nefarious may be going on. Another cool feature is that some of these cameras have a great zoom out lens where they're able to see beyond the parking lot. Now, why is this important? Because a lot of times threat actors, when they are wanting to gain access to your building, what they'll do weeks in advance is they will do reconnaissance. They will see all the people who come in and out of the facility, all the vendors who come in and out of the facility. Now, these cameras are able to be able to determine patterns, and the same individuals coming at the same time or the same types of intervals, that will be logged into the system and alert your staff to be on the lookout for those types of individuals. Now, as a home user or as an individual, like a lot of that stuff from a business aspect is considered to be overkill. but there are some things that you can do to better secure your physical assets. One way is to install like Ring cameras, right? Not a sponsor of this video. Ring cameras are great because you can install them at different points of the house. You can do it at the doorbell. You can also do it, install different cameras on the homes itself. Now, what's great about these things is that they can give you logs about who is coming in a proximity that you set, who is breaching that proximity, and give you alerts on your phone. But what I like most about it is that you can integrate those into your home automation systems like your Google Home or your Echo. And anytime that anyone breaches that parameter, it'll send an alert to all of your Echoes letting you know that, hey, there's somebody that's there. So these are all great ways that you can protect yourself. So physical security is a great way to be able to secure your data physically and in the real world. It's always important to remember that it's not just important to secure your information, your devices out there in cyberland, but it's also important to do it here in the real world. Now, if any of these products that I have listed on here as examples that you are interested in, I will put a link in my bio with all these types of product ideas that you can use to put into your business or your home. Thank you so much for taking some time to go over this. Again, October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month. If there's a particular product that you like, please be sure to put it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You have a wonderful day.